That is really where Fast to Faith came from, was how did I learn to start hearing from God and inviting him into my health journey and stop trying to do it alone, because willpower only lasts until the cookie shows up, right? Or
Yes.
your diet plan lasts until the weekend. And so you need a bigger reason for why you're trying to make these changes in your life. And so I kept looking to scripture, and I saw Romans 12:2, do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. And so for me, I just start with mindset and mind shift work, and really helping women do this future gazing activity where they see themselves as the better version that they actually want to be, living the life that they want to have. So I remember saying to my medical assistant, I just want to sit down and talk to my patients while I drink a cup of coffee. That's the kind of doctor I want to be, because I was running in and out of rooms every 15 minutes, like trying to do an annual exam and a pap smear and ask them how they're feeling and write their prescription for their antidepressant, send them on their way. And I was miserable. And so you have to start to see, what do you want? What does your life look like? And once you get that clarity, then you say, how does that woman live? How does this woman over here that I want to be, what does she do all day? Does she wake up early and work out before her kids wake up? Does she sit in the word and meditate on scripture? Does she not get a cocktail every time she goes out, and she, makes different choices? And when you can get that clarity, you just work backwards and you say, okay, well, what are my goals? And you just live into her now. You're not like, oh, I'm going to be her someday. No, you're just living into her and being her right now. And that shifted everything for me. And it was so powerful. I was like, I need to teach my patients this. This is the answer, because we're believing the wrong things. We're believing we can't get well. We're believing we can't be strong or sexy anymore, that the best is all behind us, and all of these lies. I can't break up with gluten. That was my big thing forever. Like, oh my, I just love bread too much. That's the crap I used to say. And it's not true. Like, my life is so much better now. And so you have to just start to really get real about what you desire in your heart. How do you want to live? Who do you want to be? How do you want to show up for your kids and your family and your partner? Like, that drives me every day to keep renewing my mind.